Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be opening these Paw Patrol egg surprises, and we're going to be seeing what we get inside of these egg surprises. So are you guys excited to
Yeah! I think it's wrong.
Okay, so let's open it. We're going to see what we get inside.
So first we need to take the label off.
Okay, so we finished opening the egg surprises, and we're going to be opening them in 3, 2, 1. Open them. Let's see what you get.
I got one!
Oh, so you got this Paw Patrol
But
kind of teddy bear. Let's see. Oh wow, that is so cool. So basically we have stuffings inside of the egg surprise, and we're going to be putting them inside of the teddy bear, so it looks more like a teddy bear. So this is the stuffing that you have to put inside of the Paw Patrol, so it looks like a teddy bear. I'm going to help her open this. Who did you get?
I got, I think it's Chase.
No, it's not Chase.
I got Marshall.
So we have to put the stuffing inside of the little teddy bear.
Yeah.
Look, Brian got Chase.
Yeah.
It looks very weird right now, but when we put the stuffing inside, it's gonna look much better.
Yeah. So I'm putting stuff in it. It's quite hard. I got Chase. I got Marshall.
You think that's Marshall? Who did you get?
I got Marshall.
Are you sure that's Marshall? I don't think that's Marshall. Okay. So guys, we're gonna be doing a race. We're gonna be seeing who can stuff their teddy bear first. We're gonna be seeing who can do it first,
But
okay?
you need to zip it to win. Oh no, I'm gonna win. Yeah! I've done my stuffing, guys.
Have we done? Have you
I
put all of it?
did it.
So here are the step-by-step instructions for this teddy bear.
Oh, there's no more stuffing in it now.
Okay, so when we finish putting all the stuffing in, we have to zip it up at the back. If you want to, you can just break it, so you can put it in bit by bit.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I'm just putting my stuffing in, and yeah, we're putting okay. And I'm all zip my guys then. Yeah.
This is how ours is looking like so far. It looks
I
really
can't
good.
unzip mine. Can you please unzip mine?
Okay.
Oh, they know.
Look at that, you've done. It looks so good, and she zipped it at the back. Okay, yours is done, so we're gonna put it right here so people can see it.
Congratulations. Thank you.
So this one is called Rubble, right there.
That one's Marshall. And I'm Chase.
Okay, so Nicole's finished doing that one, and this one is Rubble, and he is the builder. Whoa, yours looks so cool.
Can fly up the stairs.
Finished stuffing our teddies. Oh, so do you like yours?
Yep. Mine's really soft.
Yeah, she forgot to stuff the legs, but it looks okay. I rate hers a 4 out of 10 because the teddy bear looks kind of weird and the face looks kind of weird.
What
Overall,
do you
it's
get,
pretty
Mom?
good. Yours is really good stuff in the legs, which is really good, and the face is stuffed. So I rate it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to be reading Britney's one, and her face is kind of weird, like she didn't stuff in the face properly, and the legs aren't stuffed enough. So I rate this a 5 out of 10. Okay, so we finished doing this unboxing video and we had so much fun doing this video.
I hope you like and subscribe our video and make sure to click this button. Bye guys.
Bye.